All right, guys, let's get this started. So this video is not gonna be a how-to. It's more of a behind the scenes on selling barbecue. Now, I've sold tons of tri-tip sandwiches, and yes, the camera is shaking. I do not have it on a tripod. It's all good. It's just behind the scenes. It's gonna be a long video, guys. If you guys are interested in catering or selling barbecue, make sure you guys watch this video. So I have not used this smoker probably a year and a half, guys. I did clean it up. Let me show you what I got going here. This is my Meadow Creek. So I did clean it up. It was full of nasty gunk stuff. I got my scraper, cleaned it up. Came into the firebox as well. It was all dirty in there. This grill comes apart, and then you can latch it here and clear the ashes that way. Put that back in. So yeah, that's a very small firebox, that's for sure. It works great, guys. When I was using this smoker, when I first got it, man, it produces outstanding food, guys. I do have my chimney. I'm gonna heat this bad boy up. I'm gonna take it well over 300, at least 350. I want to get rid of all the gunk, spiders, or whatever it's in there, and then bring my temperature down to maybe a 250. My pit rocks at a 250. Perfect temp for brisket, ribs, for whatever. All right, so while this is going on, let's go inside. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna be cooking. This food I'll be selling tomorrow. I already got my pre-orders, so if you're in Ventura County, go to my about page, email me, and we'll get talking to see the next time I do barbecue. It's a business that I've been wanting to do, so I'm gonna go full force and take off with it, and hopefully God blesses me with a barbecue business. All right, guys, stick around. Let's go inside and let's start prepping the ribs. And this is gonna be for all our ribs and the pork butt. Same flavor. It is good. Nice and even. All the ribs, we got the St. Louis on top, the baby backs in the bottom, and then we also have our pork butt, heavily seasoned. It is a big, thick cut of pork, so it can handle some seasonings. All right. I gotta say, man, they look pretty damn beautiful. I'm trying to not catch the shade, if you will, but all right, guys, let's go outside. I've been managing the fire. Let's get some smoke on these ribs. That's what I got going. Can you guys see inside? Hopefully, I don't want to put the camera too close. So I got a nice coal bed, and then I got the nice chunk of red oak. It is very dense. That's why you see it not really catching. It's giving nothing but good smoke. Beautiful, guys. I do have a water pan. It'll be easy cleanup for me. Let's go ahead and load these bad boys. Show you what I got going. Beautiful, right, guys? Look at that. All right, I'm gonna let these smoke. Let's see if it closes. Show. Closes. I'm gonna let them smoke at 225 to 250 and bring you back in a few hours. Stick around, guys. So this has been smoking 2.5 hours. Just like that, guys. Honey and Coca-Cola. I'll even put it on the pork butt. Why not? One's in the bottom. Kind of squirt it just like that. All right, that's it, guys. Maybe a little here. All right. With all the racks, just adding a little bit butter. I took them off, 3 hours. This is the color that I need, or this is the color I want. This is the warmer that I bought. It's supposed to be digital, but it's not digital. You know, when you order stuff on freaking online, it never comes through. Here's a little temperature gauge. 4 shelves. The top shelf, I have 3 racks of ribs. So this is where I'm gonna leave my food overnight. I still got the rest in the smoker. And once that's done, I'm gonna load this whole entire food warmer. And then tomorrow after service, I will serve the barbecue. And I believe this is what the restaurants do. They cook their meat and they hold it at a certain temp. It's like resting a brisket, 16 hours, 15 hours, 20 hours. I'll be doing the same thing. So stick around, guys. We're almost done. All right, guys, time to serve barbecue. So this cooked for, I smoked this for, what was it, 7.5 hours? And it's been resting almost 14 hours in that warmer. So I got 25 minutes before I start serving. And I did have to smash it down just to fit in that warmer. Let's check it out. See how we did. Oh yes, look at this. You guys catch that? Look at that. Oh, look at that. Incredible. And the warmer did really well, guys. It was running between 145 and 150. So it's built cheap, if you will, but damn it. But it still holds the temperature really well, guys. Really, really well. Where's that bone? Oh, no problem, right? No problem. Look at that smoke ring. You know what? I haven't even tasted it. Oh my goodness. You know, you cannot beat the true flavor of smoke on an offset. Freaking delicious. This is money. Let's check out the baby backs. 13 hours, or what did I say? Yeah, 13, 14 hours resting. Look at this. Is that gorgeous or what, guys? Come on, look at this. Look at this, guys. Beautiful. Outrageous beautiful. Go ahead and slice. Hey, it slices like butter. Beautiful smoke ring. Gorgeous, guys. Just gorgeous. Turn them over. I used to be really good slicing the ribs the other way, but I guess I lost the touch, right? So I did make a quick barbecue sauce. It's really thin. Maybe next time I'll show you guys how I made this. Just want to drizzle a little bit on it. Not much. I'm gonna just kind of rub it on there. It's just a taste. Just like this. Oh, beautiful. Just beautiful. There's plenty right there. The barbecue sauce does have smoke bomb from Uncle Steve, which we know that is a huge plus. Gorgeous. Pulled pork right there. Bam. Look at this, baby. Is that a platter or what? Look at that, guys. Would you buy that? You got your pulled pork, your spare ribs, you got your baby backs in the bottom, and your rolls. Oh, it is hot, guys. Most definitely, I'll be doing this, I don't know, in a week or two, but I'm gonna do barbecue plates. I think it would be better than just straight up ribs. So maybe I'll do 4 bones, 2 sides, a dinner roll for whatever price I charge. I think that's the way to go. Like I said, it's hot in here. So I'm gonna continue doing this because everybody should be here in 15 minutes. I gotta prep everybody's food. You already seen what it looks like, and hopefully I get good feedback, guys.